If you're paying for ads in your dropshipping business, you need to stop, because in 2023 you can market your business for completely free. So let me show you exactly how you can do so. I'm sure you know exactly what the old method was. What you would do is come over to Facebook and create ads using something like Billo to get content creators to make ads for you, which would cost like $100 to maybe even $300 to get those, and then you would come back to Facebook and market it, and that would cost you another $400 or $500. So you're paying just around $1,000 for ads, and you do not have to do that anymore. There's a new way that you can do it for completely free, so let me show you how. Let's ditch this old method, and that right there is by using TikTok. TikTok, when it came in, it changed the whole game. It was no such thing as short format videos basically, and once TikTok came in, it made it so much easier to market a product. Let me show you a few examples. Just come up to the search bar and search up TikTok made me buy it. That's a great hashtag to see a lot of trending dropshipping products. As you can see, these are all drop shipping products, basically. Maybe a couple Amazon bestsellers, but mostly are drop shipping products of people getting organic search. These are not sponsored videos where they're paying for ads, and the way you notice is if it was sponsored, it will have a sponsored sign next to them, which none of them don't. Like, look at this. This got 20 million views. This one got 5.4 million, 16.9 million, 500k views. So if they just got 1% of sales off of these, like this one right here, 1% of 8.7 million is around 80,000. So if you just got 1% of sales off of 8.7 million video, you get 80,000 sales. And if you're making like a $10 profit, 80,000 times 10, you can do the math. That's a lot of money from just one video, and that's crazy to think about. But they didn't pay $1 in ads, and you don't have to either. And of course, you're not going to get 8 million views per video or anything, but let's just look at this one. They got 11.6k followers, and as you can see, they get a decent amount of views on their products. 5,000 views, 7,000 views, 6,000 views, 1,000 views, 4,000, 21k views. So they get a decent amount of views for all the videos they put out. And let's say for this 7,000 view video, they got just 7 sales, and they made $10 per sale. That's $70 just for this video. And of course, out of 7,000 some people, they probably got more than that. But as you can see, if you start making 2 to 5 pieces of content a day, you can definitely rack up sales each day, making at least $150 to $200 a day. And let's just click on a link and just check out the store to see what it looks like. And as you can see, they're selling it for $35, usually $40, but it's on sale right now. And it's a pretty basic drop shipping website. Let's see how much profit this store is making per sale, because you can easily find the product because it's a drop shipping product on a supplier. So let's go over to CJ Dropshipping and search up Desk Dispenser. That was what it was called. As you can see, different dispensers show up, but this one right here looks the most similar to it. So let's check this one out. As you can see, it's a dispenser, and the total price is $24.57, and he was selling it for $35 on sale, but $40 usually. So that's around a $15 profit, which is a decent profit if you think about it. $15 per sale, and if you're getting around just 7 sales a day, you can easily scale this up and make $100 a day. And the best part, you don't have to pay any ads or anything, so you're getting all profit. And because you know that product is working, let's say you wanted to come over to CJ Dropshipping and get this product as well and start selling it and compete with the store and make similar videos to it as well. You can too, because you've seen how it was working. One of the videos got 8 million views. You get a decent amount of views, around 5 to 10k views per video, so you know it's a working product. So because you know this data, you can easily start selling it in a store similar to it as well. And that's how a lot of dropshipping businesses work. If you see a product that's doing well, then you just get the same product and just try to market differently or better, create a better site or anything of the sort. And you can definitely scale up your business. And if you do good enough, you can even brand it as well, if you have any background knowledge of branding. So it's time to ditch the old way of how we used to market by buying a bunch of ads for Facebook, spending and wasting it basically, honestly too, and going over to platforms like TikTok and marketing. And that's not even the best part. You can use all the major social media platforms to market now. Let me show you how. Okay, let's say you was marketing on TikTok and your product wasn't doing that well. That'd suck, of course. But let's say you was marketing on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. And out of all those platforms, 3 of them didn't do that well, but you started doing well on Instagram. Started gaining a lot of followers, getting a lot of sales, and of course that's a W platform and you'll start making a lot of money. But the other 3, you might get a sell now and then and it doesn't work out that good. And this is how you leverage all the social media platforms. You can use the same video as well that you make for, let's say, TikTok, and it's very easy to do. So let's go back over to TikTok, and let's say this video right here was our video. You would just come over here. You can copy the link. You can do this on your phone as well. You don't have to be on the desktop. And you would go over to snaptik.app. You will paste in the TikTok link and download it. Once you download it, that video is yours and you can use it on all the major social media platforms. And let me just give you an example of one of my accounts. Like I have an account right here. It's called My Motivated. It's in a motivational niche. As you can see, I have just over 1,000 followers on here. And then if you go over to Instagram, I have around 950, so basically the same. And it's the same videos without the watermark on any of them. And last, I have it on Facebook as well. And as you can see, it did amazing on Facebook. It got 29K followers. And they get a decent amount of views for each video as well. Nice engagement too. And I'm able to monetize different ways on Facebook as well, outside of a dropshipping store too. So once you scale up a business, you might be getting paid AdSense, or you can do a course or anything of the sort too once you build up an audience. And what else? I created all the accounts at the same time too. So on TikTok, it got around 1,000 followers. On Instagram, it got around 950. But on Facebook, 29K, and they was all created at the same time. So you never know how good your videos will do on each platform. So it's best to just put them all on there and see how they do, because if you don't do well on one, it's all free, so you can easily go over to other social media platforms and put it on those accounts as well to try to leverage all of them. And let's say all the social media platforms started doing good for you. You're going to be making a buttload of money and getting a lot of sales a day. So there's basically no risk either. Okay, now it's time for you to get a content plan down. A content plan is actually very easy nowadays, and all this basically is once you get your product, you just need one sample product from your supplier. So let's say your supplier was CJ Dropshipping. Just order a sample. Once the sample get there, it's just time to start making content now. So you want to make 2 to 6 pieces of content a day. Bare minimum 2. You don't want to go below 2. Just doing 2 will probably take you around an hour or even less. This might even take you 20 minutes once you get good at it. So just set around aside that time. 6 pieces of content will of course be maximum exposure for your store, and it will boost up your growth as well. And another thing, let's say you're selling a dropshipping product similar to another store. You can go to their account and see what's working for them. So let's say we was selling this pot right here. Oh wow, they get a lot, and I mean a lot of views. Let's look at this. 15 million views, 200K, 400K, 300K, 14 million. They definitely found a winning. This is a definition of a winning product, and it's all organic. So this is, wow, this is lovely. I'll guarantee they're making a lot of money from their store. So let's say you had a product similar to this one or the same one. You could just come over to their account, see what they're doing well, and not copy it, but just take inspiration to their videos and apply it to your content as well. Because let's be honest, if you can have a product that gets the amount of engagement and views that this one gets, you're going to be, I guarantee you they're making probably around $3,000 to $4,000 a day with the amount of views they're getting, which is all organic. So they're keeping the profits, which is amazing. And believe it or not, that's how simple your content plan is. Order the product, find similar videos, market it, create 2 to 5 pieces of content a day, give it 3 to 5 months, boom. And it might not even take that long. You might blow up on your first video or your 10th or your 100th. You never know. Just keep going, and I guarantee you will eventually. So quit using the old method of just Facebook and paying for a bunch of ads. There's no need to use ads anymore. As we just seen, how many stores have profitable stores without paying $1 in ads? This can definitely be you. There's nothing separating you and them. So it's time for you to get to it. And I hope this video was helpful for you in your dropshipping journey. And until next time.